Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12 and 6 2022, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. Okay, firstly open Settings application, then scroll down and choose Accessibility Features. Then click Accessibility and Screen Reader. Now enable Screen Reader by clicking on this tumbler and just click OK.
Screen reader enabled.
And that's it. Now we are in Screen Reader TalkBack mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.